I'm Geeta Podwal, founder and managing trustee, Vrishi Shakti Trust. Our organization basically works on livelihood generation, skilling, education, and spreading awareness about persons with disabilities. Diwali is fast approaching. I'm sure you would be thinking, what do you gift to your employees, to your staff, to your friends, to your loved ones? Every Diwali, this is a question that everyone is nagged about, that what to do, what to gift. You go to the markets, you go online, you try to find out so many products, you get so many product options, you're so confused that what to gift. Have you ever considered gifting products made by persons with disabilities? I represent Vrishi Shakti Trust, an organization which works towards capacity building and empowerment of persons with disabilities. Right now, I am sitting on this table surrounded by products, everything made by persons with disabilities, and I'm here to tell you about each and every awesome option that is available to you so that you can think of purchasing them and gifting it to your loved ones, at the same time doing something good for the community. See here, this is called bottle art. What my children have done is they have taken a trash bottle, they have painted it, they have decorated it with lovely threads which is beautiful, and inside they have put fairy lights. The result is something which is so amazingly beautiful. You can use this to decorate your houses. It would look beautiful. Even a single piece like this, if you keep it on your table, it will change the entire environment of your room. Next, let me show you something very interesting. I'm sure there will be so many occasions where you really want to tell someone a sorry, a happy Diwali, a congratulations, a thank you, or simply you want to ask someone, hey, are you okay? We have designed these cards. These are called multi-purpose cards. Now you see, in this cards, these are all painted by my students with disabilities. Now, what is the beauty of this card is that this card gives you full freedom. It's in your hands how you want to use this card. Meaning, now let us take this card. This is made by a student with disability. Her name is Bhakti, and if you see, there's nothing written on this card. It's just this beautiful picture over here. So you can write here anything for anyone. Say, hey, I hope you're okay, or hey, get well soon. And then you can put a smiley and your name behind. This is the reason why we call this multi-purpose cards, because the freedom how to use this is completely in your hands. So why don't you buy this today and gift it to your loved ones or use it yourself? We also have these candles. Now, very beautiful, and it also has a lid, awesome aroma, and it is painted by my students. Light it, and for the next many hours, your room will smell absolutely divine. A beautiful gift option for your loved ones, for yourself, or for your colleagues. Diwali and no diyas, impossible, right? Well, we have an option for you for that too. Now, do you see this? These are such beautiful diyas, heart-shaped and well painted and decorated by my students. Lovely gifts. So, why don't you get these today for yourself or for your loved ones? The next the next series of products that I'm going to show you is something which is not specific to any festival. You can gift them to your loved ones, to your friends, to your colleagues, to your work, to your co-employees, to your staff at any time for any reason. These products are very versatile and can be used in different ways. Let me show you. Do you see this? This is a bag. Now, do you really need a reason how to use this? So this can be used in multiple ways. So this is one thing, environment friendly. Something which I want to show you, which I use myself, is a sling bag. Who does not need this? We would love to keep our hands free wherever we travel, right? So this beautiful combination Where you can match it with the clothes that you're wearing. You can gift it to your daughter, to your wife, to your mother, to your grandmother, to anyone for that matter. And yeah, see to it that you gift it to a female, okay? So this is a beautiful sling bag available in multiple colors, made by persons with disabilities. Next, let me come to this paper bag. Everyone knows about this. What is different is that my students have created these bags out of waste paper, and finally it turns out to be so useful. And the next product that I'm going to show you is simply amazing, and I'm sure you would want one for yourself. And that is this. I'm sure every day you are trying to carry your heavy laptop on a sling bag, on a backpack, or you carry a very heavy bag. Why don't you carry this? This is a laptop bag, looks beautiful, environment friendly, has simply so much of space. You can keep your laptop inside, you can keep your chargers inside, you can keep your mobile, your wallet, a diary, your pen, everything, and you are good to go. So this is a very, very useful product. You can gift it to your staff, to your employees. I'm sure a gift like this will definitely win hearts. Next that I want to show you is every girl, every female's dream, jewelry. Who doesn't like that, right? So we have multiple options as far as jewelry is concerned, and let me tell you, this is very lovingly made by my team and my students with disabilities. Now just see this. You can very well match this with any clothes. You can gift it to your little daughter. She would love to wear it. We also have matching earrings with that. So this is one option. We have so many options as far as this is concerned. So you can see this is another pearl is something which is eternally beautiful. It is not only meant for children, it is also meant for corporate wear. So if you're wearing a suit and if you're wearing your blazer and you just have this around your neck, it's going to look amazing. And yeah, rather than buying expensive ones from the online stores or from the market, do give our children a chance. So similarly, we have handmade bracelets. We also have a very cute evil eye charm. If you see this has smiling faces, small smiling faces along with an evil eye pearl. So this is something which can be very multiple uses. You can either wear it on your wrist or you can wear it on your feet. I myself am wearing one right now. So this is something which I myself am wearing it. And also we have earrings, and let me show you something very interesting. This is something which my students have made out of waste. So this is just bandhani threads which they have designed into jewelry. So it also has matching earrings. So this is the earrings. So if you can see, these are all beautiful pieces which is handmade. So you can also consider gifting these jewelry pieces to your loved ones. Going back to traditions, do you remember the times of potli when we used to put all those little things into our potli and carry it proudly? In fact, it has also become a society thing now. I've seen many society ladies, many very influential women actually carrying a potli along with a sari. So let me show you a potli here. So this is a beautiful potli, very apt for the festive season. You can put your mobile inside, you can put your money inside, just put it around your wrist and you're good to go. So this is something which is a very versatile piece. Do consider getting it for your daughter, for your mother, for your wife. And lastly, yes, this may look very simple, but if you see it closely, it's very beautifully painted. And this can be used in multiple ways. Actually, this is such a useful piece. If you keep it in your house or if you keep it on your table in the office, it can take anything. It can take a scissor, a pen, a highlighter, a marker, anything. When you keep it on your table in your kitchen, put all your knives, put all your scissors inside, good to go. You can also keep all your spoons and forks into this. So when you put this also looks beautiful. It will go well with your decor. So a simple piece like this can also become a very good gift for your loved ones. Now that you have seen everything that is available on this table, does it give you any excuse do not consider buying a product made by a person with disability. Let me assure you of the quality because I personally use these products, so I can vouch for its quality. So be it Diwali, be it any occasion, if you have not yet finalized a Diwali gift box for your loved ones or for your staff, for your team members, please do reach out to us. We will be very happy to customize a gift box for you so that it will be within your budget and with all due love made by our persons with disabilities. Thank you so much.